Salam Pengakap. My name is Rizky. I represent BEStars Scout Setia Terengganu, Malaysia. Look yummy, right? Come, let me show you how to do it. Let's go. First, you need milk. Second, you need ice.